any body would naturally fall, how would you have to press it and weigh on it?
Let's move to a safer location further down.
Yeah. Do something.
I give it 30 seconds, bro. I mean, what time? It's fucking. I always give him, give him a minute at least. Not a minute, but. Does he not see us fucking sitting here? Does he not see us sitting here?
You don't care. Beep, dude. Just beep.
It's definitely been 30 seconds. Yo! Yo! Get his fucking number, bro! I gotta get to work! Yo, dude! The fuck, dude? Yo, get your boyfriend's number, dude. I gotta get to work.
Bro, you got a fucking problem?
Yeah, I got a problem.
What's up?
Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
What? Do something about it.
Let me tell you something. You know what difference? We know the difference between yours and mine is?
What?
Mine's fucking registered, asshole.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. So when I blow your brains out, the cops are gonna high five me. Move your fucking shit, or I'm gonna get out and beat you with it. Fucking bitch.